Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rail Fan MC. So today we are going to discuss about the ninth Vande Bharat of Indian Railways, which is going to run from Howrah to Puri. According to media reports and updates, the Vande Bharat there are 8 Vande Bharats now in Indian Railways, and a few days ago the update of the ninth Vande Bharat Express is on many routes such as the New Delhi Jaipur route, Indore Jabalpur route, and Indore Jaipur route. But all the three route deadlines is kept until March, the end of March. But the Howrah Puri Vande Bharat Express deadline is kept until February last, and maybe the Howrah Puri Vande Bharat Express will be the ninth Vande Bharat Express of Indian Railways, because according to Railways, the Puri is a not it's a very tourist place, and it is a very famous place also. And the Vande Bharat Express is going to be the mini Vande Bharat Express, because there will be maybe 8 coaches in that train, and according to the updates of Railways, the Vande Bharat Express will take 5 to 6 hours to cover the distance of 549 kilometer, and the fare may be higher than the Shatabdi Express train, because it will give more good service and costlier service to the passengers. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will meet at the next video. So bye. Thank you.